I guess I'm going to work one more of these type of problems, and then we'll give it a quit on that and work on some absolute value and then some log functions. Ooh, boy, how would you like to see this one on a test? Find the derivative of 1 plus x raised to the 1 over x. Well, I'll tell you right now, it's not that bad. If you've been following the last 3 problems, you should be able to get this one easily. So remember, we're going to treat this, what's down here in the base, we're going to treat this like it's a number. Actually, you know what? I think the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to rewrite this problem. So let me just rewrite it. 1 plus x. Now I'm going to rewrite this exponent up here as x to the negative 1, right? So if we take this x and take it into the numerator, right, the exponent becomes negative 1. Okay, now let's take the derivative. So treat this like it's a number. So we're going to take the derivative of x to the negative 1. Okay, take the derivative of this, and that is, we're going to take the negative 1, bring it out front, right, and subtracting 1 from this, so this becomes x raised to the negative 2, and then we just rewrite everything. 1 plus x and x to the negative 1, and then we take the natural log of this piece here. So the natural log of 1 plus x, right? Nothing difficult about that. And now I have run out of room, so let me put a plus here, okay, and continue it down below. Now we're going to treat this like it's just a number, like the number 5, and so we have treat this like it's just x, the number 5, okay. So we're going to take the derivative, or take our exponent and bring it out front, so this becomes x to the negative 1. Like if that were a 5, you'd bring it out front, you'd write a 5 here. Now I'm going to rewrite, and remember we subtract 1 from the exponents. This becomes x to the negative 1 minus 1. Alright, then we do the chain rule, taking the derivative of what's in here and bringing it out. So the derivative of 1 plus x is just 1. Okay. Now I've got a negative over here, and I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to rewrite all this, rewriting this part first, and we're going to have negative x to the negative 2, 1 plus x, and I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this as 1 over x, if that's okay with you, times the natural log of 1 plus x, plus, I think I can squeeze this in, x to the negative 1, and this up here I guess I'll just rewrite as 1 plus x raised to the just keep it like this, x to the negative 1 minus 1. Okay, I think I was able to squeeze all that in. Well, I'm going to leave it like that. We can rewrite this, you know, this x to negative 2. We can write x squared down here and write x down here and so forth. But I'm going to leave it just like this so you can kind of hopefully follow those steps. Alright, let's move on to some absolute value functions.